Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can turn off autoplay in Netflix. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Netflix app or Netflix website, and then just log in with your account, and then just go to the profile that you use, and you'll be over here like this. From here, just go to your top right corner, you'll be having your profile option. Then from there, just go to account, and then just go to your left hand side where you'll be having profile option. Just go over there and then go to your profile, and then you'll be having an option which says playback settings. Go over here, and then over here you will be having option which says autoplay controls for your account. So you can untick anything and then save it, and then your autoplay will be disabled. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.